As Ukraine's drone army is staying busy, Russian infantry fighting vehicles are especially vulnerable due to the low armor compared to the FPV drone's warhead. As the thin armor lets the warhead penetrate, an internal fire is often created, which can lead to explosions as the ammunition detonates. As 3 BMP-2s gets hit by several FPV drones, they all react with violent result, causing different sort of explosions, massive fire and ammunition detonation, making sure all 3 BMPs are completely destroyed, taking out 3 more of Russia's armored vehicle, leaving 3 less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.